If your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max is not charging, then in this video I will tell you few methods by which you can inspect and get it fixed. First of all, what you have to do is check your charging cable if it is clean and working fine. Right here you can see I have USB type C, which seems to be in a good condition. Second thing what you have to do is use this same charging cable and adapter with any other device to see if the charger is working fine. If the charger is working fine, then what you have to do is check the charging port of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Right here you can see here is the charging port, which seems to be clean. However, if you see any dust particles, you can use a blower to get it dust free. However, if the issue still remains, then what you can do is force restart your device, and this will most likely fix the issue. To force restart your device, press the volume up button, then volume down button, then hold the power button until you see Apple logo. Press volume up button, then volume down button, then hold the power button until you see Apple logo. Right here you can see Apple logo, then release the power button, and this will most likely fix the issue. However, if the issue still remains, then what you can do is navigate to your settings application and check for any software updates. Tap on general, and right here you can see software update. Just tap on that, and on this screen you will able to see any software updates available. Make sure to update software to get it fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then it can also be a hardware problem. Make sure to visit any nearest Apple service center to get it fixed. I hope this video helps. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.